Hi, I'm Sama Tamhidi. I work as a project control head in many international projects. Nowadays, the world is going towards technology and the data. In fact, the vocations are also changing. One of the best future jobs which started growing a couple of years is data analytic. Actually, data analyzer has the potential to save money and time. A data analyzer cleans and transforms a bunch of data, models them, and finally delivers a unique data which fulfills the needs in a unique visualized report. Among the softwares that a data analyzer uses, Power BI stands out, which allows us to manage, save, and optimize time, which is the important factor of human being these days. Fortunately, this platform has a simple, easy, and at the same time powerful environment. In this course, we will create a practical dashboard and finally design it. First, I will show you what is Power BI. We will scan and work together Power BI steps as a data analyzer. We will get data from Excel files, transform, model, and finally tell a story with Power BI by visualizing data. Definitely, in the near future, we will have the full Power BI course which covers all details. But now it is enough to know the steps of Power BI in this free course if you have a great Excel background. Fortunately, we have an Excel all-you-need course that you can enroll and improve your career by learning advanced level of Excel. Even combine it with Power BI and get promotions. If you're in project management team, it is beneficial to enroll in our Primavera course and learn planning, performance measurements, also control the project. I want to mention that you can reach to our free Power BI course from Udemy, khonamun.com, and even YouTube platforms. It is better to subscribe us in YouTube and access most free and new tutorials. Now, I just want to ask you, are you ready to step in this free but powerful course? If yes, so I'm happy to see you in this trip.